Maray na aga, Bicolandia. So, it's me once again, Coach Gray. So, for today's video, we are going to discuss some specific topic in professional education. So, teachers, this is the question. Alright. So, the question, teachers, is, which law declares the kindergarten is the first stage of compulsory and mandatory formal education and is required for admission to grade 1? A. RA 10157, B. RA 533, C. RA 9155, or letter D, RA 7836. So, teachers, what is the correct answer? Again, I will repeat the question. Which law declares the kindergarten is the first stage of compulsory and mandatory formal education is required for admission for grade 1? So, dun sa apat na nabanggit ko, ano po ang tamang sagot dyan? Okay? Gamitin natin sa elimination technique. Ang unang tanggalin natin, teachers, is no other than letter D. Ano ba si RA 7836? Si RA 7836, it is talks about the licensure law. O, pag-take natin ng board examination. Okay po? So, next na tatanggalin natin, teachers, is si letter B. Ano si letter B? RA 10533. Ano nga si letter B? RA 10533. So, anong ibig sabihin ng RA 10533? So, it is talks about the K-12 law which build upon the RA 10157, but it is separate for law covering up to grade 12. Kaya mali po si letter B. So, we have two choices, either RA 10157 or si RA 9155. Okay, teachers? Ang tamang sagot po dito is letter A. Letter C is wrong. Why? Because RA 9155, it is talks about the governance law. Walang kinalaman po sa compulsory and mandatory based on the point of the question na formal education and required for admission to grade 1. So, the answer is alpha. Letter A. Bakit po? Si RA 10157 is the Kindergarten Education Act. So, it is institutionalized kindergarten as a mandatory teacher and compulsory prerequisite to kumbaga, for the entry into the grade 1 before this law is the tinatawag nating kindergarten was optional or private based. Okay, so the answer is letter A. Okay, so dati pwede kang mag grade 1 basta